people. So each time I make my YouTube videos, I like to make it in even numbers, as in two videos or four videos, six videos, so that when I sometime upload it, I have like I like to upload two videos in a day, and since they're only 1 minute long, it's okay, I guess. So that's what. Since I have these two little rabbits with me here, they had got down and they were running about a little on the bed itself, but now they are back on my lap. So I've realized with regard to rabbits, probably since they don't have that power of they don't emit any sound, they are very silent creatures, which is at some level because I think rabbits are prey animals, right? So if they were to make sounds and noise and all, they attract predators. So they are very silent, but perhaps because they are silent, there's almost a kind of mental telepathy that you can feel with them, sometimes. No, really. So I think sometimes, like, these are all faculties that we have, right? Sixth sense and mental telepathy. So when you have a rabbit as a pet, it helps you develop your faculty of mental telepathy. Like sometimes I will be passing by and I can sense that the rabbit is thinking this, that it wants me to, if they are in their cage, they want to come out of it. But you know what? As much as they are just so adorable, they stand on their hind legs and they look at you and all. But once it gets dark, as a rule, I put them back in their cage because I don't want them to. This one time, this one little rabbit went running, prancing about this, that, and it was very late in the night, so I didn't have the energy and I was too sleepy to go looking for it. Next morning, I found it. I it was gone. It had just these rabbits teach me that it is possible to even die of exhaustion. I mean, we human beings sometimes, luckily, none of us do so much work that we'll actually die of exhaustion. But these rabbits have been like a sort of, you know, even little bit of. I used to eat khakra, and I still love pani puri, and my face also reflects the pani puri loving feature of my personality, because I begin to look like a pani puri myself. But no, so these rabbits have taught me that processed food, be it khakra, anything that is packaged, that can kill you. Yeah, it really can. So I didn't know all this, and this is already a 2 minute long video, more than 2 minutes. Before it becomes 3 minutes, I think I'll log off. But this is so nice, and but really, so keeping rabbits can help mold your personality like nothing else. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.